This is your June 2018 monthly review, and I've had a little technical difficulties. Guess what? That's the normal way to go. Do you guys like this picture I put in the background of this post? For all of those headed to the beach, enjoy. It's very appealing looking. But let's get down to business here. So here's our June 2018 video podcast capital market review. But wait, stop. Okay, I'm getting a little excited. Break in. The summer project update. If you've not heard, we've not done a good job of relaying what's gone on, which is we are scrolling the 50 states of the United States for you and your relatives or anyone that you would like us to do to look for lost money. We are over $5,000 and counting, and we're super happy to have fun with this over the summer. What a great way to do the summer is bring you guys some funds. All right, so financial planning tip. Let me scoot this up a little bit here. Our financial planning tip is we've got a clump. I've talked about it before. We've got a new $12,000 standard deduction, 24K joint, and they've limited some of the property taxes. They've limited some of our itemized deductions. So we're going to have a skip, a clump, a skip, a clump. It's likely that we'll have a very large percentage of us that will not itemize. So the IRS is saying 60 to 70% may not. They may take standard deduction. We talk more about this in the newsletter as well. So stay tuned. Let's move on to our handy travel app. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I've taken a moment to download it. It's TripIt. In the article that I posted here, and it's again in more detail in the newsletter, I talk about what this thing is doing. You log a trip by forwarding your confirms to an email, and then it will go out there and watch all the prices. I say all. It goes out and watches the airline prices, and if one of the airline prices drops, it'll let you know. It also has a tracking device in which I was at a meeting earlier in the spring, and the traffic got heavy and check-in got heavy, and it texted me. It said, "You need to go now, or you're not going to make your flight." That was cool because it was basically, I was able to show that to the folks that were at the meeting. They go, "Hey, go, let's we don't want you to miss your flight back." All right, updated tax rates compared to 2017. I've got details in a blog post, more coming out in the newsletter broadly. Let's talk about it. Rates are coming down across the board. It's likely that we're not going to pay as much in taxes. Here are all the different rates. There's some planning techniques that we're going to go into. Clumping is one, of course, and then possible distributions. All right, capital market comments. 50% drop in public companies. That is right. So over the past several decades, there has been a 50% decrease in publicly traded companies. Simple economics said less supply, same demand, heavens, not more demand, same demand, and we're going to have an increase in price. This is good because no matter how if this is true, no matter how this works, if historical standards pricing the capital markets may show we're a little bit higher than normal, there may be a reason here. So that is a wrap on your June. Not too early. There's no bloopers in this one yet. This is the second or third video that I've done. I'll go back to this beautiful beach site here. We thank you for your time. We thank you for listening or watching or reading, all of the above. Have fun with this. Have a great summer. Be careful. Happy 4th of July, which is just a few days away. Thank you so much.